Saoji chicken is ready. So let us check out the ingredients for this amazing recipe, which is from Nagpur. So we have the chicken, which we're going to cut. To add to the chicken, we have a teaspoon and little more of chili powder, red Kashmiri lal chili powder. We have turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. We have 3 pods of garlic and 1 2-inch piece of ginger, which you're going to make into a fine paste. This is for the chicken. All these, including the onion, we are going to dry roast it. So let's see. Once again, desiccated coconut. We have this. It's called flavorful. So we have the rock flower, a few petals. We have 10 red Kashmiri chilies. We have a teaspoon of shahi jeera, that's here. We have regular jeera, half teaspoon. We have your poppy seeds or khaskhas, half a teaspoon. We have sesame, white sesame roasted, 1 teaspoon. We have 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Fenugreek seeds are half a teaspoon. Few peppercorns, 5 or 6. We have 5 green cardamom, 1 large black cardamom. We have 5 or 6 cloves. We have a strand of mace. We have 2-inch cinnamon sticks. We then have an onion. We also have a tablespoon of raw rice and 2 tablespoons of jawari flour. So let us start by dry roasting all the ingredients one by one. We'll start with roasting the coconut. We'll keep it on a slow fire. Another minute and we'll take it off. This is the color we want. Coconut is done. Let us add not the flour but just the rice. Let's give it a roast. We're not going to roast the flour now. Okay. All slow again. We'll roast for 2 minutes. So our rice is browned a bit. So time to get it off. We now add these red Kashmiri chilies. Let's get them out. So very briefly we are going to roast these flavorful. They have a strong peppery aroma to it, just like pepper. I want to bring this close by and focus for you to see the actually moss growing on this flower. That's done. All of these. Set here for 2 minutes. So all our spices are roasted and done. Switch on, and instead of having a peeled onion, we're going to have the whole onion put over here and let it cook on the fire. The onion is done. So we have cut the chicken. Add it. This is going to be in garlic. We have pounded fine. Not a take a spoon and give it a mix. And we leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Until then, we'll grind our curry paste. So I have with me the roasted onion. I'll discard the skin, and what we are left with is this. Let's add the chilies. Let's keep this aside. The flour, the coconut, keep it aside. Let's add all these roasted. We'll add the rice and the jawari flour, and we'll add our coconut. We will add a little bit of water. I'm just adding a little bit so that is grind. That's how the curry paste looks right now. On the gas, I got some sliced onions. That's 1.5 onion. Add oil. I'll use 1.5 tablespoon. The hot. Let's add the onions. Let the onions fry well. After that, we'll add our marinated chicken. Onions are done. Right time to add our chicken and fry them well. Flame is on high. So it's more than 3 minutes. Our chicken has almost changed color and it's leaving oil also. But we give it another 3 minutes. So it's almost 10 minutes that we've been frying the chicken. So we know now for sure when we add the curry paste and water, the chicken will not overcook or split. So at this moment, let's add curry paste. Mix. Let this fry 10 minutes. We will then add the water. Occasionally, we need to stir. Lower the flame. I can tell you the aroma is amazing. So let's continue cooking it. So we have added water from the mixie jar. So that it covers the chicken. So let's leave it here on a slow simmer for 10 minutes and we'll get back. So it's past 15 minutes. Chicken has been simmering. I did give it a taste, and there's one thing missing. It's the sourness. There is absolutely nothing to make it a bit sour or balance its flavor. To overcome that, we're going to add a dash of lime. But the aroma is amazing. Add a little bit of coriander, give it a stir. It's almost done. Leave it to simmer another 5 minutes and we are done. So friends, our Saoji chicken is ready. Let's add coriander. Give it a stir. So we'll serve it and see how it tastes.